Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of geography. So the first question is, consider the following statements with regard to the continent of Antarctica. First, it is the fifth largest in size among the world's continents. Second, more than 90% of the land of the continent is ice covered. Third, it has two principal embayments, the Ross Sea and the Weddell Sea. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A 1 and 2 only, B 2 only, option C 1, 2 and 3, option D 1 and 3 only. So you can write down your answer in the comment section below. The correct answer of this question is option C 1, 2 and 3. So all these statements are correct with reference to the continent of Antarctica. So you should be aware of how many continents are there and how many oceans are there in the world, and you should be aware of the particulars about different continents, and you must be aware of the fact that which continent is the largest and which one is the smallest. So this was all about question number 1. Here is question number 2. Arrange the following continents in decreasing order of their size. First, Asia. Second, Africa. Third, South America. Fourth, Europe. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1, 2, 3, 4. Option B 2, 1, 4, 3. Option C 2, 1, 3, 4. And option D 1, 2, 4, 3. So you can mention your answer in the comment section. The correct answer of this question is option A 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I arrange these continents in decreasing order, then it would be like Asia, then Africa, then South America, and then Europe. So this was all about question number 2. So I already told you in question first that you should be aware of the major characteristics of these continents. So this was the question that was based on those characteristics like size, population, and biodiversity. So likewise you can prepare this question, and I have given you the exact area of the 7 continents. So for example, Asia has 44 lakh 579,000 square kilometer area. So likewise you can also read about other continents. So I have given this. So this was all about question number 2. Here is question number 3. Arrange the following mountain passes of the Great Himalayas from west to east. First, Jozila. Second, Baralachala. Third, Shipkila. Fourth, Jalepla. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 3, 1, 2, 4. Option B 4, 3, 2, 1. Option C 1, 2, 3, 4. And option D 4, 2, 1, 3. So you can just mention your answer in the comment section. The correct answer of this question is option C 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can arrange these mountain passes from west to east. So likewise you can also refer important mountain passes. Actually this part of map is very important from UPSC prelims exam point of view, and you should cover these topics from map extremely well, because every year UPSC asks at least one or two questions from the map or geography. So in this way you can prepare that topic. So here is question number 4. Consider the following statements regarding the evolution of Earth's atmosphere. First, the early primordial atmosphere of the Earth was dominated by hydrogen and helium. Second, gases and water vapor were released from the interior solid Earth during the cooling of Earth. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So the correct answer of this question is option C, both 1 and 2. So both these statements are correct regarding the evolution of Earth's atmosphere. So actually this topic of evolution of Earth, evolution of universe, evolution of Earth's atmosphere, what was the primordial atmosphere of Earth. So you should be aware of that. What gases were present at that time, I mean early primordial stage of the formation of Earth. So likewise you can explore this topic, and it can come in upcoming prelims exam. So this was all about question number 4. So now let us discuss question number 5. Consider the following statements. First, compact and consolidated rocks are least affected by freeze-thaw actions. Second, sedimentary rocks are highly susceptible to the mechanism of weathering. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only, B, two only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. So you can mention your answer in the comment section. The correct answer of this question is option C, both 1 and 2. So both these statements are correct regarding rocks, and second statement is also correct regarding sedimentary rocks. So you should know how many types of rocks are there and how soil is formed. What is sedimentary rock? What is metamorphic rock? What is igneous rock? What is the difference between these three rocks? And what is a rock cycle? In this way you can prepare this topic, and it is given in NCERT of class 11. You can prepare this topic from that NCERT. So this was all about today's video. You can subscribe the channel, and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.